If you guys don't know, it is my 30th birthday, y'all. Like, she's a grown woman. Whew. Good morning, you guys. I feel like the holidays have been so crazy. Like, so many people coming in, you know, entertaining guests. Like, it's just been a lot, but it's been a good time, okay? But the only thing is, if you guys don't know, my birthday is January 4th. So pretty much tomorrow. Today's January 3rd. And having the holidays and then, you know, your birthday is so chaotic. 10 out of 10 don't recommend, okay? But anyway, so today we're gonna do like a birthday dinner with all my friends. I'm super excited. I hope I don't get emotional.
Because being you allows me to be me. That is so sweet, Tori. It's okay.
And then tomorrow we're gonna go out because it's my actual birthday on the 4th. And if you guys don't know, it is my 30th birthday, y'all. Like, she's a grown woman, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go out pretty much all week. And then next week I have a trip, of course. You guys know I gotta always leave, okay? Because like, I can't just stay here. Like, I can't stay, you know, where I live. I always have to go somewhere for my birthday. So I'm gonna vlog that and y'all will see where I go and what I do. It's just gonna be a vibe, all right? But with me having people come in, I wanna prep my skin and just get it, you know, looking good. And my hair is giving volume, like, wow. And I did this myself, y'all. Like, the product that I use in my hair, fire. But I just want to sit here, chat with you guys, do my skincare, and just let's talk about 2024. All right, I'm gonna use a Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean mask. Not gonna lie, this is low-key dried up. Like, not even low-key, high-key. Let's see if this will still work. Oh baby. All right, let me go get my other mask. So I have the Innisfree Pore Clearing mask right here. I always use this. This one isn't dried out, so let's just stick with this. But you guys, like, I don't know if y'all noticed, on social media, it's just been so positive. Like, everybody's so excited for 2024. And I want to apologize to you guys. I'm going to be looking at my viewfinder because I don't have like a mirror or anything in front of me. Ooh, oh my God. But basically, everybody's so positive for the new year, and I really love that. Like, I feel like sometimes when you go on Instagram, some people are happy, some people are like, I don't care. But this year, it's like everybody is like on that wave of positivity, and it's so nice because it makes me feel like that too. You know, me turn 30 and all of that, I'm just like, I feel so like hopeful for this year. I feel like this year is gonna be great. 2023, y'all, like, we started off good, but then I don't know, like towards the end, I just feel like a lot was happening, and it really humbled me. It really was just, it was tough, y'all. It was so tough. And a lot of people don't know, because like with me, like, despite what I go through, I'm gonna try to be positive and keep going, but I'm just like, Lord, I am not your strong soldier. Like, pull me out the battlefield. Like, what is going on? But anyways, you know, this year I started off the year right. I wrote down my goals. I'm gonna put my goals into action once I'm done with my trip. Like, my birthday, after my birthday is when like my new year starts, because it's just chaotic. Like, it's just so much going on, y'all. So I'm gonna start being intentional, and that's like my word this year, is to be intentional and really just like be intentional about like who I let into my space, relationships, friendships, all of that. Intentional with like my career, my business. Like, it has to make sense this year. We're not playing around this year. I don't know about y'all, okay? I don't know, because I'm turning 30. I don't know what it is, but I'm so like serious. Like, you thought you knew me. Oh baby, wait, just wait. This year is about to be wild in a good way. So this looks good for the most part. But I'm just so excited for this year, and I hope you guys write down your goals. I wrote down goals that I couldn't wait to achieve, and some of them I was like, oh, this is so crazy, let me not write it down. Like, it's a little bit far-fetched, but girl, put it down, because you never know. Like, you never know. So I put all my goals down, I prayed over it and all of that, and it's just made me really, really excited to see how this year turns out. So let's leave this on for like a couple minutes and then I'll wash it off and I'll be right back. So we're back with fresh skin. Okay, it feels so good. Oh my goodness, y'all, it feels so good. Anyways, let's go ahead and use some toner. You guys know I love my, where is it, the Paula's Choice Exfoliate Toner. This is really good, you guys. Like, it has literally changed my skin, I swear, especially when it comes to like my dark marks and things like that. Anyways, you guys, I want to talk a little bit about my birthday. I feel like every year, I don't know if it's a girl thing, but like I get really emotional. Like, I always cry. And I think, you know, typically for my birthday, I don't do like birthday dinners. I usually go on a trip with a couple friends. But this one is like a lot of my good friends are going to be here flying in for me. And just seeing everybody at the table, like, ew, I'm already getting teary-eyed. Like, that's just like so much love. Like, I literally have people flying in. I was like, y'all, it's just a dinner. Like, I'm not really doing anything crazy. They're like, nope, we're coming. And I'm like, having friends like that and having like good people by your side like that is so, it's just so nice. It's really nice. I don't know, I get really emotional. And you guys, if you didn't watch my what is it, 29 things I learned before I turned 30 video, make sure you go ahead and watch it. I'll try to like link it above. But basically, like, all these lessons I've learned over the years, because I'm 29 years old, it's just so helpful. I feel like, yes, age is nothing but a number, but at the same time, like, you just start to become like your own person. The way that I truly don't care what people think about me, I don't care about like drama, gossip. Like, I'm just in my own little world. I love that. Growing up, I literally always cared what people thought about me. I always was a people pleaser, and I think it really came from me like being bullied when I moved from Africa to America. It was a really hard transition, and it was just really tough for me in school all the way till college, honestly. Like, even a little bit of college, it was just tough, like trying to like fit in with people and have them, you know, get to like know me and not judge me just because of where I'm from and how I talked and how I dressed at that point in my life. It was really hard. But also what I put on my face is a Tayer's Hydrated Milky Toner. This is really good, you guys, when it comes to like hydrating your skin. I don't really need moisturizer once I put this on because it's just so good. But anyways, yeah, so I just love like how the old me's low-key shedding. Like, I don't care about pleasing people. Like, I just be doing my own thing, you guys. Like, I do my own thing. I don't care if people are judging me. Like, obviously don't be out here being a bad person and people telling you like, listen, like, you need to change, right? No, please listen to them. But what I mean is like, be yourself. Like, if you're weird, if you do things differently from people and it doesn't necessarily fit the norm, who cares? Like, I don't care. I don't care no more. It's so funny because sometimes the things that I post on social media, like on my story, because like on my Instagram, I let you guys into my life a little bit more. I don't like being like cookie cutter, like the aesthetics and the photos and all of that. That's cool. I just post a little bit more like personal stuff on my story now, and I really love it, and people react to it a lot better too. Like, people love the crazy things I post in my stories because they never know what to expect from me. Like, I just be posting anything and I love it. I love that about me. But anyways, let's go ahead and apply the niacinamide serum because this helps to control oil, and we're just gonna pat this right in. But I'm so excited for my trip next week, you guys. Like, it is something I've never done. But you know, what's that saying? They're like, if you don't feel nervous and you feel excited, it's for a reason. Like, I should be quote unquote nervous because like when I told people, they were like, oh my god, like, I don't want to tell you guys till after, like, I'm worried about things like that. But anyways, every time I tell people, they're like, I'm like, okay, I should be nervous, but I'm not. It's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have a ball because y'all are coming with me on my trip. And then this is the collagen peptide serum from the Inky list. I'm gonna put some of this. But yeah, I had to go, honey. Like, this year I wasn't gonna take a trip. I was gonna like wait because everybody who knows me knows I've been saying for years that on my 30th I'm gonna go to Greece. But right now in Greece, it is so cold. Not so cold, but it's colder than normal. And I want to go there when it's ideal. So I'm gonna wait and be patient. So the last thing I have to put on my face is a Topicals Brightening and Clearing Eye Mask. I love this stuff. And Topicals, if you haven't been following them on Instagram, you guys, they sent a couple creators to Ghana for Dirty December. I was like, that is so cool. That is so cool. And they look like they had a ball. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my under eyes for pretty much the rest of the day. But as I put this on, I just want to let you guys know to make sure that you go hard this year. I just don't feel like there's any more time for excuses. Like, we got to do what we got to do, and we got to push through despite, you know, what life throws at us. Because I feel like right now, life is tough. It really is. But I'm not going to let it get the best of me. I'm going to keep pushing. And this feels so good. Oh my God, this feels so good. I'm just gonna keep pushing despite, you know, everything that's going on. And you have to do the same thing too. Like, when I realize the life that I want, I'm capable of achieving it, makes me so happy. Like, nobody else out there can create that life that you want but yourself. If you want that money, if you want that relationship, whatever it is, right? You have the ability to create that life for yourself. So this year, stick to your goals, push, work hard at it, and you're gonna get it. I just don't feel like there's nothing in this world that I can't achieve. Like, what's for me is for me. I'm gonna get it. We're gonna get it. It's gonna be our year. It's gonna be positive. We're gonna kill it. Okay? And I hope this video like really like helps you guys out, because sometimes we just need a little push. We need somebody to yell at us a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm gonna get ready for the day because I have guests coming in and we're about to go to dinner and do all these things. And I'm gonna get ready to turn 30. Okay? Well, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I just didn't want to like not have anything for you guys this week. So I'll be back with a vlog and all our other regular videos moving forward. And yeah, love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.